The Ceros XP450A and XP450AE with added Mips safety system. The sleek, lightweight, and low-sitting short brim helmet with chin strap and HexArmor's premium air bridge suspension assemble the foundation for advanced, cool-wearing safety. When it comes to protecting your head and brain, your most crucial assets, upgrading your protection levels is always recommended. In addition, the Mips safety system is fully integrated, padded in a lightweight, breathable placement to not sacrifice any comfort, and without compromising the low-riding, form-fitting safety of Ceros safety helmets. The addition of Mips to the XP450A and XP450AE brings an advanced low-friction layer inside the shell of your helmet, a leap forward in traumatic impact protection, proven to redirect the rotational impact force that occurs in the milliseconds after a directional strike from a falling object, or when your head strikes a stationary object, while your head and neck continue to move after the initial strike. Mips reacts to the sheer force, the rotational energy of any impact, allowing your helmet instantaneous reaction and movement around your head, reducing harmful secondary force, which is the cause of traumatic brain injury and concussion, as your head is prone to fast rotational motion in the milliseconds after an impact to the head. Mips redirects impact energy around and away from your brain. This reduces the energy absorbed through your head and neck not only at the moment of impact, but after. Expanded field of vision with the short brim, wraparound, ear-to-ear premium padding, and breathability with hex vent technology. Enhanced one-hand quick-adjusting swift lock wheel ratchet with expanded butterfly padded back of head cradle for even more secure comfort and a perfect fit. The suspension system also offers two distinct positions so you can adjust to your preferred wearing height. Available in Class C or Class E. Compatible with our easy-to-integrate accessories, including HexArmor's exclusive click-and-go magnetic accessories. Lean, tight nesting, and lightning quick on and off. Fully customizable for your specific brand and color needs. Reflective elements and meets ANSI Z89.1 and CE EN 397 standards for head safety. The Ceros XP450A and XP450AE with Mips safety system. Layers of protection to keep you safer through every aspect of an impact event.